All right, diesel fans, let me hit you with a tough question right from the start. Have you ever thought your diesel engine is going to last forever just because it's built tough? Yeah, think again. I've seen guys roll into my garage with trucks that should have had another 200,000 miles left in them, but instead, the engines are shot, turbos are fried, injectors leaking like a busted garden hose. Why? Because of simple, avoidable mistakes. And these mistakes, they can cost you thousands of dollars. Today, I'm breaking down 10 diesel maintenance mistakes that I've seen time and time again in my 30-plus years wrenching in the garage. If you stick with me till the end, I'll also give you the golden rules that'll keep your diesel humming like new. Let's dive in. Here's the deal. Diesel engines are beasts. They're designed to haul, to tow, to run for 500,000 miles if you treat them right. But here's the catch. One sloppy habit, one skip service, and boom, you're staring at a repair bill bigger than your paycheck. And the worst part? Most people don't even realize they're doing something wrong until it's too late. Sounds familiar?
You're cruising, the truck feels fine, no weird noises, then suddenly the check engine light pops on, smoke starts pouring out of the exhaust, and the mechanic gives you that look. You know the look. The "this is gonna hurt your wallet" look. So let's make sure that never happens to you. All right, here are the 10 diesel mistakes you must avoid. 1. Skipping oil changes. I know, sounds obvious, right? But you'd be shocked how many people treat their diesel like it's a gas engine. They think, I'll stretch it another 5,000 miles. Wrong. Diesel engines run hotter, produce more soot, and that oil gets filthy fast. I had a guy with a Ford Powerstroke come in, hadn't changed oil in nearly 20,000 miles. When I pulled the drain plug, it looked like black tar oozing out. That neglect cost him new bearings and a full rebuild. So yeah, cheap oil change now or $7,000 later. What would you do? And here's the kicker. Some folks even brag about skipping services like it's a badge of honor. Oh, I went a year without an oil change, still runs fine. Yeah, for now. Engines are like bodies. Skip the checkups and one day you're flat on your back wondering why everything hurts. 2. Ignoring the fuel filter. Diesel fuel isn't always clean. It can carry dirt, algae, even water. And your injectors? They hate that. A clogged filter can starve the system, blow out your injection pump, and suddenly, your truck's a driveway ornament. I once had a Ram Cummins roll in, couldn't even start. The owner thought it was the starter. Nope. Fuel filter hadn't been changed in 50,000 miles. Cost him $2,500 in injector repairs. Have you ever changed your fuel filter on time, or are you rolling the dice? 3. Bad fuel habits. This one drives me nuts. People love chasing the cheapest diesel they can find. But here's the truth. Bad fuel is a death sentence for your engine. Contaminated diesel causes injector failure, rough idle, and, oh yeah, billowing smoke clouds that'll make your neighbors hate you. Quick story. One customer bragged he was saving 5 cents per gallon at a sketchy roadside station. Well, 6 months later, he spent $3,800 on a new injection pump. Tell me again how much you saved. It's like eating dollar sushi from a gas station. Yeah, you saved money, but tomorrow you're regretting every bite. 4. Not letting the engine warm up. Listen, diesel engines are like grumpy old men in the morning. They need a minute. Fire it up and immediately hammer the throttle. You're grinding cold metal parts against each other with thick oil that hasn't circulated yet. Ever heard that ticking noise on a cold start? That's your engine begging for mercy. I had a buddy who always floored it as soon as he started his Duramax. Guess what? Turbo failure at 90,000 miles. So take 60 to 90 seconds to let it idle before driving. That's it. Small investment, big payoff. 5. Overloading and over-towing. Oh boy, I've seen guys treat their trucks like they're semi-rigs. Yeah, my F-250 can totally pull that 15,000-pound camper. Yeah, until your transmission explodes and your rear end looks like spaghetti. Diesels are strong, but they have limits. Overloading stresses the engine, overheats the transmission, and ruins suspension. I once saw a guy towing a boat that weighed more than his truck. I asked him, "You sure about that?" He said, "It's fine, it's a diesel."
2 miles later, he was on the shoulder with smoke pouring out the transmission. Have you ever pushed your truck past its limit? Be honest.
6. Neglecting the turbocharger. The turbo is the heart of a diesel's power, but people abuse it. They shut the engine off right after towing heavy loads or climbing hills. Big mistake. That turbo is glowing hot, and when you kill the engine, oil stops flowing. Result? Burnt oil coking up the bearings. I had a Volkswagen TDI come in once. Turbo sounded like a blender full of rocks. Owner admitted he never idled before shutting down. Guess how much a new turbo cost him? About $1,200 bucks. So yeah, give it 30 to 60 seconds to cool down. Easy insurance. 7. Forgetting about the cooling system. Coolant is not set it and forget it. Diesels run hot, and bad coolant can corrode your radiator, eat away at gaskets, and even crack the head. A guy rolled into my shop with a Sprinter van overheating. He thought it was a thermostat issue. Nope. Coolant was rusty, hadn't been flushed in 7 years. Ended up replacing the radiator, hoses, and head gasket. Total bill? $3,200. When's the last time you checked your coolant? Honestly. 8. Ignoring glow plugs. Cold starts matter. Glow plugs are your diesel's best friend in winter. But most people don't think about them until the truck refuses to start at -10 degrees. Replacing them is cheap, but if you crank the engine over and over without working plugs, you'll wear out your starter, drain your battery, and maybe even flood your cylinders. True story. Farmer near me tried to start his old diesel tractor without functioning glow plugs. After 20 minutes of cranking, the starter motor literally smoked. He spent $600 fixing something that could have been $60. Number 9. Neglecting the DPF, diesel particulate filter. Modern diesels have these filters to trap soot. They're great until you ignore them. Short trips, city driving, never letting the truck regen, that DPF clogs up fast. And when it does, say goodbye to power. I had a customer who thought he could just ignore the warning light. He drove until the truck went into limp mode on the highway. Dealer charged him $4,500 for a new filter. Have you ever seen that DPF light and pretended it wasn't there? Yeah, not smart. Number 10. Trusting the wrong mechanic. This one hits hard. Not every shop understands diesels. Some treat them like gas engines, and that's dangerous. Wrong oil, wrong parts, half-done repairs, you'll pay the price. I had to fix a repair where a shop used gasoline spark plug anti-seize on diesel injectors. They fused in place, and removing them required pulling the whole head. That mistake? $2,800. So always find a mechanic who knows diesels. Or, better yet, learn the basics yourself. Even just knowing what oil and filters your truck takes can save you from a dishonest mechanic. Alright, so what's the takeaway? How do you keep your diesel alive and avoid flushing money down the drain? Here are the golden rules. Change your oil and filters religiously. Use good fuel, even if it costs a bit more. Warm it up, cool it down. Don't push it beyond its limits, and never ignore warning lights. Think of it this way. Spend a little now on maintenance, or spend a lot later on repairs. So which of these mistakes are you guilty of? Be honest, I won't judge. Drop it in the comments, I want to hear your stories. If this video saved you from a $5,000 repair bill, smash that like button. And if you want more real-world diesel tips from a guy who's been elbows deep in engines for 30 years, hit that subscribe. Take care of your diesel, and it'll take care of you. See you in the next one. Psst, don't click away yet. One of the videos on screen now has the secret to making your diesel last forever. Go check it out before it's gone.